In this video we gonna see about the interfacing of ESP8266 with LED and potentiometer. So we are going to vary the brightness level of this LED by varying the potentiometer value. So this is the code what you seeing we used for this experiment. So the code is uploading. It's done uploading. You're gonna vary the value of this voltage by using the potentiometer. Now the LED is glowing bright and super. Now it is glowing to the extreme. By adjusting the potentiometer value and again dimming and going bright. Thank you.